In this video, I will show you how to perform an Excel text function that we call concatenate. Okay, so concatenate is basically merge. So concatenate is a text function that is used to merge two or more columns or string variables in different columns together to become one. Okay, so let's say you have a data set like this that it is supposed to be one text, or it's supposed to be in one column, but it is separated. So this is actually an office text, but we have the office somewhere, we have the desk somewhere. This is toothbrush, this is whiteboard, this is hairbrush, this slippers, it is just one letter. And you can see all these ones have been separated into different columns. So this is one way of cleaning text variables in Microsoft Excel. Now what you have to do is that just be here, then you use the text function concatenate. So you enter equal to sign because it's a function. You enter equal to sign, then just type concatenate. Okay, concat. Now when you put the cursor on it, it tells you that this joins several text strings into one text string. Okay, so double click on the concatenate, then you select the text in the first column that you want to join. So you want to join this text, you bring a comma, space, then you select the next column that contains the text, or the text in the next column. Depending on the number of columns, you can use comma and space to select all of them. When you are done, then you close your bracket equal to. Now I want to show you something. So when you enter, it becomes office text, but you see it is just one word. It's not separated by space, and it is because we did not put in space. So just double click here. Now in between your first text string and the second text string, where you want to put the space, just bring a quotation mark. Okay, so you bring a quotation mark this way, then you bring a space, then you bring another quotation mark, then you bring a comma, then you enter. So you realize that this has been separated. Now when you are done, all you have to do is to double click and the function will run through, and there you have it. You have all the text variables put together. So where we have the window blinds separated in different columns, now you have the window blinds together in one column. And this is how we merge text in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. My name is Philemon. Bye bye.